What's up team? I'm Dave.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we're going to learn about one of our favourite food, eggs. Alright, today we're going to whiz up a quick omelette which you can have for any meal of the day, breakfast, lunch or dinner, it doesn't matter.
Or any time in between. Eggs are a really great food any time of the day.
And plus they're so affordable, and who doesn't love eggs?
Right, we'll just put a bit of seasoning in. One of the really good things about eggs is that people with heart disease or even at risk of heart disease can safely eat up to 6 eggs a week.
Yeah, it's amazing. A lot of people don't know that. And the same applies for people with type 2 diabetes. All right, let's get this in the pan. You can also add in some veggies or some other leftovers in the fridge. Not cake though.
Okay.
All right, so the message is there's no links between eggs and high levels of bad cholesterol and heart disease.
That's right. People with high cholesterol levels can absolutely include eggs in their diet, but they should have a chat with their GP or the practice nurse about their overall diet, lifestyle and some tweaks they can make. Oh, looks good.
Thanks so much. One of the reasons I love eggs is because they keep you fuller for longer, and they're a great whole food for the people I work with that may struggle with their weight.
Yeah, eggs are a terrific source of natural protein, but they're also packed with vitamins and nutrients that are really useful for good health.
All right, let's fancy this up.
And add a bit of colour.
For more delicious recipes and nutritional information, visit eggs.org.nz.
This looks great. Should we dig in?
Well, there's only one, so you have to make your own.